Well, we're having a lot of conversations with clients and a lot of our ongoing projects with clients around the whole topic of buy or build. The context of this is essentially that the insurance sector is transforming. That may sound like a dramatic statement, but if we look across technology, innovation, and the skills and capabilities needed for insurance companies into the future, then there truly is a transformation taking place. So many insurers are looking to where they need to be in 2 to 3 years or 5 years' time, and working out that they need to have very different technology, capabilities, and a different approach to innovation. In some ways, that's the easy part. It's then working out how do we get from where we are today to where we need to be in 2, maybe 5 years' time. And that's where the question of buy or build comes in. Do you build the capabilities yourself, the technology and the innovation and the wider capabilities, or in isolated areas, do you seek that by acquisition? Do you go and buy those capabilities? An interesting twist on that is that we've seen an increasing amount of partnership type investments, by which I mean insurers not buying 100% or the majority of a target, but investing in with a minority stake in a way that actually suits the interests of the insurer investing into the business, because it's mitigating its risk, but it's getting access to the type of capabilities that it's looking for. The whole idea of investing in partnerships and partnering between businesses is really interesting, because it then opens up a whole topic of ecosystems, and what people are talking about is digital ecosystems, which is a whole bunch of businesses from insurance and other sectors partnering in much wider ecosystems, generally speaking, geared around customer needs and customer propositions. And the way that insurers find their way to navigate their way into these ecosystems, to invest with other businesses and to partner with other businesses, is going to be a fascinating way of how the whole technology journey works for insurance in the next few years. EY sits in a really interesting part of this, I would call it another ecosystem. We see the question of buy or build and the question of emerging partnership models, emerging ecosystems, and the whole investment into technology from many, many different angles. And we've been doing a lot of work over the last couple of years to make sure that we can tap into the many, many teams around EY that are seeing elements of this challenge. So, for example, our consulting colleagues routinely work with large insurers on large system changes, and that over time has increasingly become central to the buy or build question. How to develop a platform with the right capabilities to then attach in, if you like, other capabilities and other businesses. And that's taking the buy or build question very much from the incumbent's perspective. But then other colleagues of ours are also working very, very closely with the startup businesses. And our M&A teams routinely sort of get involved in capital raisings and other transactions from the other side, from more of the technology and the startup side of the community. So bringing those two skill sets together creates clarity of the need from the insurance community, but also the availability of targets and other capabilities from outside.